I'd like to go over general operation of this 1/4 inch by 10 foot Niagara shear. This is your foot pedal for operation. Right here you can see the back gauge. Over here, your different buttons. This is to power on your hydraulic motor. This is to stop the hydraulic motor. Your back gauge, wide, narrow, and your fine adjustment. Over on the side of the machine, you'll see 2 indicators. On these indicators, you see the graduation per thousandths of an inch. So this is blade gap. So generally for 1/4 inch, you want about 10 thou. Under 1/4 inch, if you do 7 thou gap. So to change that, you loosen off these 2 bolts, and then with this is a jam nut, and this is a compression spring. You loosen this jam nut off, and this moves this in and out. Now keep in mind, there's another one on this side, so you have to do them both. We're going to shear a piece of 10 gauge to 3 inches. So look at the back gauge. I'm going to press the narrow button. The white numbers are inches. Oh, you see I went too far. So I'm going to widen and then just tap it back. Now I'm pressing the fine tune button. Just gonna, there we go. That's 3 inches. Keep in mind, the back gauge is very important that there's nothing underneath this. If there is anything underneath this, it will break the back gauge. Now cut round bar or wire round mesh. Your max capacity is 1/4 inch mild steel or 3/16 stainless. Do not cut through plasma cut edges because that leaves a hardened scale and that'll chip their blades. And very important, do not cut any amount of material less than the material thickness. Would be, don't cut 10 gauge, which is 120 thou. You can't cut 120 thou off. You need to cut over, cut a 1/4 inch, because otherwise it puts too much stress on the blades and it'll fold it over. Let's feed our material in. Touch off the back gauge. We're going to operate the foot pedal. And there we go. If the ram ever comes up and you can hear the hydraulic pressure continue, it needs a ram reset. So what this does is it extends the cylinders and slides them to the proper amount, because what will happen is over time you get hydraulic oil leakage and it drifts, and this resets your stroke at top. Now collect your pieces, don't leave any debris back here, and remove the metal, put it away. Don't forget to depur your material. For thinner materials under 10 gauge, try not to use a grinder. You're gonna find best results with a deburring tool. Draw that across the edge of your part. That's all you'll need.